Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today and this property we have a leaking roof. As you can see my ceiling, it have a little bubble here earlier and we popped and we drained all the water, but it just happened when we have a heavy rain. So I decided to make a video because this happened before an other room and today we have a same issue in this room. So I have a kind of idea what is the issue. So let's fix together. So if you have a running same issue, so you can fix really cheap and easy. Now let's start. I'm gonna take you outside and show you what happening. So now let's go outside top of the roof. At this corner, I'm gonna show you what we have here. I have a ladder ready to go. We're gonna go up, look at really close, but from the far you can see the tile roof is have a little slope. It's called Vally, I believe. I'm not the roof guy. I'm a homeowner to try to fix my house, but I think it's called Vally. All the water supposed to slide down, but I think there's a lot of dirt stuck under and the water doesn't slide. Now we're gonna remove all the tiles from around this steel plate heavy under. We're gonna clean this out. So now I have removed most of the tiles around. You can see how much dirt it's already converted in mud. And what happened when water drain on this plate, it has to slide all the way down. But unfortunately, because this mud it's blocking the water and water running to the side. You see the black paper and the plywood water running that side and go under, then water will leak through the plywood joint. There's two plywood joint each other, but over time it will damage your plywood and it will get really expensive damage. So I have just seen a leak yesterday, so I want to fix today. And it's raining, so I'm going to use my water hose. I will wash all the dirt really good, but if you know already, before raining days you can use your blower and you can blow down all the dirt. You don't have to use any water hose. You don't even have to remove all the tiles. Because of the raining and dirt convert in mud, so I have to wash. I don't want to see any more leak and it will make more damage. So I washed this area really good. I removed all the dirt from the tiles and everything, and then I put all the tiles back. I also left a little bit of gap in the middle, so I didn't put tiles too close as they were before. As you can see now, you can see this middle part, but before don't. So after I have put a tiles, I ran a lot of water. I also see raining and I didn't see any leak yet. So far we have fixed our leaking roof. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with the new topic.